Imagine this. Within weeks, your biggest dream, the one you've carried in your heart, begins to show up in your life. Maybe it's more financial freedom, an amazing relationship, a fresh start, or even a newfound sense of peace and confidence. Welcome to the 369 Manifestation Method, a simple yet powerful tool for attracting exactly what you want. By the end of this video, you'll know each step to bring your desires into your reality, and I'll share a few secrets that can help you amplify your results even more. Let's dive in, because something extraordinary awaits you. The 369 method combines the power of Nikola Tesla's fascination with the numbers 3, 6, and 9 with the power of focused intention and repetition. According to Tesla, these numbers hold a mysterious vibrational power. When we use them in manifestation, we connect to the energy of creation itself. This method isn't just writing things down, it's creating a powerful channel to the life you want, using the energy of intention in these special numbers to tune into the frequency of your desires. What's incredible is that people all over the world have used this technique to change their lives, some achieving dreams they thought were out of reach. And now, you're about to step into that same path of possibility. Imagine setting out on a journey, but not knowing the destination. The first step in 369 manifestation is getting completely clear on what you want, not just on the surface, but what you deeply desire. This clarity is the foundation of your journey. Take a moment, close your eyes, and ask yourself, what would truly fulfill me? It might be a new job, more abundance, or meeting your soulmate. Once you have that vision in mind, make it specific. Let's say it's a new job. Picture the role, the people you work with, the excitement you feel. The clearer you get, the stronger your connection to this desire will be. The 369 manifestation method involves repeating your affirmation 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night, each time with total focus and belief. For the next 21 days, your job is to create this alignment and feel the desire as if it's already true. Here's how it goes. Morning 3 times. As soon as you wake up, think of your affirmation. Let's say your affirmation is, I am receiving amazing opportunities at work. Write it down 3 times. Feel the excitement of these new possibilities as you write, imagining how grateful you feel. Afternoon 6 times. In the afternoon, pause and connect with that affirmation again. This time, write it down 6 times and really feel it becoming real. Close your eyes, feel that excitement, and breathe it in. Night 9 times. Finally, before you sleep, write your affirmation 9 times. Write slowly, focusing on each word and allowing yourself to relax into a state of belief and gratitude. Each time you repeat this, you're impressing your desire into your subconscious mind, aligning yourself with the frequency of receiving it. As you go through these steps, the most important part is your emotions. Emotion is the language of the subconscious mind. You're not just writing words, you're experiencing them. When you write, feel the gratitude, excitement, and joy as if it's already yours. This emotion is what makes the 369 method work, acting like the fuel that powers your intention straight to manifestation. And yes, sometimes doubts come up. You might think, is this really working? But remember, persistence is key. Every time you feel doubt, take a deep breath and remind yourself why you're doing this. Stay connected to your vision, because every time you affirm, you're getting closer to your goal. Let's bring this concept to life with a story. Meet Amelia, who was once struggling to make ends meet. She'd heard about the 369 method and decided to try it. Every day she repeated the affirmation, I am financially free and living in abundance, even when her situation felt far from it. There were days she doubted, but she stayed committed, repeating her affirmations, feeling the gratitude as if it was already true. Around the second week, something changed. An unexpected opportunity for a side project came her way, which soon grew into a consistent source of income. Within 3 months, she paid off debts and was saving for her dreams. Amelia's journey wasn't just about the money. It was about learning the power of her own belief and the impact of commitment. You too can create these shifts. The key is to keep going just like Amelia did. The science behind it, why 369 works. Let's take a moment to explore why this works. Your mind operates on neural pathways like well-trodden paths in a forest. Repetition creates new paths, changing the way you think and feel about yourself and your possibilities. Writing down your affirmation in this specific 3-6-9 sequence is powerful because it uses both rhythm and repetition, connecting with your subconscious in a deeply profound way. Our brains are wired to adapt and change through what scientists call neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to reorganize itself, forming new connections and pathways based on experiences, thoughts, and behaviors. When you repeat something consistently, like a thought, belief, or even a written affirmation, you are effectively laying down new mental pathways. Over time, these pathways become like well-traveled roads, strengthening with each repetition and reinforcing the beliefs associated with them. The 369 method amplifies this effect by focusing on specific affirmations multiple times a day, specifically in the morning, afternoon, and night. By engaging with your affirmation at these different times, you're teaching your brain to view this desire as a core belief. And as the belief strengthens, your mind begins to accept it as true, making you more aligned and receptive to actions, emotions, and opportunities that support this desire. Another key reason the 369 method works lies in the timing of the affirmations, morning, afternoon, and night. Particularly in the morning and night, the brain is in what's known as the hypnagogic just before sleep and hypnopompic just after waking states. These are natural moments of heightened suggestibility when the brain waves slow down and the boundary between conscious and subconscious minds becomes thinner. When you use the 369 method, especially in these early and late moments of the day, you're planting thoughts directly into your subconscious, which processes information differently than the conscious mind. The subconscious is less skeptical, more open, and more likely to absorb repeated thoughts and beliefs. Over time, this constant exposure to your affirmation leads to stronger, more ingrained beliefs that transform your perspective and prime you for manifestation. The emotional component is central to the 369 method success. When you write your affirmations with strong emotions, joy, gratitude, excitement, you elevate your vibration to match that of your desire. Quantum physics tells us that everything is energy vibrating at different frequencies. When you focus on your affirmation with high vibrational emotions, you align with the frequency of what you want, bringing it into your experience. This idea of vibration matching is not only foundational in manifestation, but also scientifically linked to how emotions impact mental and physical health. Studies show that positive emotions reduce stress, improve resilience, and enhance cognitive focus, all factors that support goal attainment. By aligning emotionally with your desire, the 369 method enables you to embody the energy of your desired outcome. For the next 21 days, commit to this practice. Think of it as a personal journey into discovering your power. Each day, you're planting seeds in your subconscious. Just like a garden, some seeds take time to sprout, but with care, they grow strong. At the end of this journey, you might find that you're not just achieving your goal, you're becoming the person who naturally attracts it. Embrace the process and know that the universe is working with you every step of the way. The 369 method is more than a technique, it's a path to rediscovering your power. With every affirmation, you're tuning into a life of possibility. Keep going, because something truly wonderful is waiting for you on the other side of this practice. Before you go, remember this: your dreams are not random, they're part of who you are meant to be. The journey may test you, but each challenge is just another step toward the life you're creating. Keep the faith, stay consistent, and know that the power is already within you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like to let us know you're with us, and share this with anyone who could use a boost in their manifestation journey. Together, we can grow and manifest even more amazing things into our lives. Don't miss out, and let's keep this momentum going.